Hello guys, it's Cody. In this video, I'm gonna show you 3 ways you can use shortcuts to play Spotify music on your iPhone or iPad. The first method is you will ask Siri to play your Spotify playlist or tracks. Ask it a couple times. Such action will be available in the Shortcuts app, and you can use that action to create your or shortcut or you set an automation. So first you go to settings, Siri, and search, and you scroll to Spotify. Here, make sure you enable this, learn from this app, and use with Ask Siri. You enable all this. Hey Siri. You may run this a couple times. We go to shortcuts and create a new one. Let's type Spotify. You see, this Spotify is available, and I have this one. I can. You see, it's playing. I can stop it. So that's the first method. This method will also work. This shortcut also works when your iPhone or iPad is locked. So I'm gonna show you the second method. Second method is will be use the URL scheme. So you just paste a Spotify track URL here. This is a place certain Spotify track. Paste the track URL here. And then you run the shortcut. Okay. Yeah, it's playing. You can play. Type copy another play track link. Open. So this is a short URL. This shortcut won't work with short URL. You have to copy the link from the address bar. So this is the longer URL. Let me copy this URL. Copy. And paste it here. Stop this one. This should also work. See here. So this will simply, you can simply use the scheme like this. If you don't, or you can set it yourself. You can type Spotify, add a URL action and type Spotify track and your track ID here like this action. Then you use open URL action to open it, so you will play on Spotify. However, this kind of shortcut won't work. If you set an automation to run this, it won't work when your iPhone is locked. So if you want to play a playlist, you can set it like this, and like this one, Spotify track, and track ID, context, Spotify playlist, and this playlist ID. Let me show you. I also create a simple one so you can use it. So this one you can simply place your Spotify track URL here and place a playlist URL here, and you run this one. It's much easier to set up. Let me show you. First, you go to Spotify let's just paste the URL from the address bar here. This is a track URL. Paste it here. Then I'll place the Spotify playlist URL. So this is the playlist. Copy the playlist URL. We'll have to get the long URL. The short URL won't work. Okay, let's copy this URL. Paste it here, this URL. Just replace it. Okay. Let me add a quick look action to show you how you look like. This one. Okay, I'll add an open URL. Here, let me run it. So it looks like this. Allow it. So you place this track in your playlist. Show you how to play a playlist. Copy this URL. You can create your own URL like this one and open URL action. I'll also share this shortcut in the link in the description. You can use it much easier. The third option, you can check my. It's kind of complicated. You can check my YouTube video here. The setup to use this shortcut is kind of complicated. You need to go to developer.spotify.com and get your create an app and get your client ID and client secret, paste in this shortcut. Well, this also won't work when you're if you create an automation. This also won't work when your iPhone is locked. So only the first option will work when your iPhone is locked. Oh, this is kind of complicated. If you know how shortcut works, you can use this one. The only benefit to use this shortcut is you can specify any device like your Alexa dock or Google Home or any other. You can specify any device to play it. So you can run a shortcut to play it, like not your iPhone or iPad. That's pretty much it for this video. Hope you find it helpful. As always, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.